How to reset Telegram password. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Telegram applications. Just scroll sides and tap on start messaging. After that, here you have to choose your country code. After that, simply give the number and tap on yes. After that, tap on continue. Allow all the permissions. Okay, so here we have to check on our email to get the code. Okay. So I have already received my code and I have just entered here. After that, I have logged into my Telegram account. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.